€80 ya?
Yep.
80 euro. Pars?
Purple, all purple.
Oh.
How to. Easy. Guarantee, warranty.
Terung, aubergine.
Ja, zo kun je het ook zien. Aubergine.
Warna terung.
Power, cable, and real big wheels. Big wheels.
Oh.
Not all nowadays have the big wheels, and I like them.
Yeah.
They even sometimes have fake big wheels, big round and small wheels below. This is nice.
Happy?
This is for accessories. Yeah, I think it's okay. Another thing I want to mention is this. This one is iron, steel, or a lot nowadays are plastic.
Oh.
So I'm surprised for this price. This one is non-plastic. Nice guiding for the pipe.
Yeah.
Here also. Here also. So the details are good. Brushes. I think this one can go up. I don't know. Yep. Oh, you can adjust it. Yeah. This just stay here, so you don't lose it. So the pipe goes here.
Okay.
You can change how much air goes out, or so it's not too strong. And a connection on top of this one. This one also feels quite solid.
Wacht. Yeah.
Yep. And this one for the ground. This one needs to be opened. Functional. Lower and high brush, which comes out. Looks really decent. Extra wheel.
Oh yeah.
Not small ones inside here, which always get stuff, dust stuck on it. Easy to clean. I'm happy for the price.
Yeah.
Looks
80
good.
euros.
Looks.
Where is the lange pipe for the sofa?
The long one. Oh, let's see. Maybe something's still in the box. I don't know. Nothing here. Nothing here. Maybe it's somewhere. Yeah, I don't know. Don't see anything. Let's look here. No, I think no.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, this one and the bags. Where are the bags? That's the cutting you get. The cutting.
Yeah.
They cut the bags and maybe inside here. I don't know.
Oh.
Still have to see, or maybe you have to.
Back to the store.
Maybe you have to go back to the store, or you have to order them separately. I don't know. Opening or something. No, that's the filter. See, that's a nice filter.
Okay.
That's also nice replacement. Maybe here or here. Not yet. here. There's the back. It looks like one back there.
Oh yeah.
Already installed for you into this cage. Take it out.
Thanks.
And it's only one. So we're gonna see if you have to order separately.
Oh yeah. What?
It's there.
Yes, it's complete.
It's there.
We don't need back.
No need to go back for back. Everything is as it should be.
Okay.
It's finished heel mooi.
This one, eh?
Ja, ik
You
heb heel
are
vaak dat die
satisfied with this.
yeah, you have many times it's broken because of plastic, and this one is iron. And everything on this one also feel decent and sturdy. The wheels I like very much. The buttons are big. We're gonna have to see if the axle radius indeed is long enough for the house, or that you have to switch many times depending on the length of your house and where your wall sockets are located. This looks really nice and sturdy.
Are it drivers of
I'm gonna
later
try
on?
this thing out later on, yeah.
Okay.
This looks nice. Mostly we use it like this because we have the hard floor, so we mostly use it with a brush out. Yeah, this one you can also not lose because it's always there. You cannot take it off, looks like. You move it in front for use and back in this position.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. Yep, nice.
Okay.
Satisfied.
And complete.
Yeah.
In one box.
If you notice anything while using that is mentionable, then we let you know. Most of the time vacuum cleaners have a round cable. This one is a little bit flat.
Oh yeah.
It's just a detail, but it's funny.
It's 9 meter.
No, the axle radius is including the 5 most of the time.
Oh,
That's
it's
it.
up. It's long.
It's long enough.
It's good, yeah.
Put it anywhere. Can reach the whole house. So we start it up.
Yeah.
See if it.
Whoa. Zachte goed.
Zo goed.
Zo goed?
Yeah, no
Okay.
problem.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay. This one telescopic.
Ja, ik zie het.
And everything clicks on. Some vacuum cleaners you have to push it while it's getting sturdy, but this is secured. Click, click. Here also. No need to push it and hope it doesn't fall off. It's just click. Looks like a nice system. And of course you can take a break while putting this in here. Probably should be working.
Ja, is er
Something
zo.
like that. Small.
Huh? Is het moeilijker?
Very small. Okay, let's see. This is, yeah, there's a slide. Should be sliding in here somehow. Yeah, no. Yeah, like this. So you can take a break. And I think there was another one on the back. Yeah.
Ja,
So
this
easier
is
because this
easier.
has guiding.
Yeah.
So.
You can coffee.
Yep. Good.